to talk about today?
I thought today would be a good day to talk about what happens when the other driver that hits you has no insurance and you as well have no uninsured motorist coverage. What happens to your case then?
Yeah, so what happens?
Well, unfortunately, and I don't know whether it's because of COVID-19, but I have seen a huge amount of cases coming in where there's absolutely no coverage. And it's really unfortunate because most of the time, if someone doesn't carry car insurance, there's a good chance that they don't have assets that can be attached. So in those situations, a lot of times there's really no recourse unless someone hits you and they happen to have assets that you're able to find them.
Yeah, that's why it's important that everybody get uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. We call it coverage in the biz, but it's really important because the only way you can protect yourself against everybody else out there who may not have bodily injury coverage, and surprisingly, Florida is one of only a couple of states that does not require any bodily injury coverage to be fully insured under the law in the state. So you're taking your risk if you're driving without any insurance. So, and most people don't have assets, right? If they don't have enough money to have insurance, they probably don't have enough money that it would be worthwhile getting, making a claim against. And really, I mean, that just doesn't happen. Usually the system's kind of set up to deal with insurance claims, and so protect yourself and definitely get some insurance.
It's really unfortunate because most people that come in here, that when these types of accidents happen, their first words are, "I have full coverage." Full coverage only means in Florida that you have to carry property damage coverage in case you harm someone else's property, and you have to carry PIP insurance, which is the $10,000 that covers you if you get involved in an accident. There's nothing else required, and there are thousands and thousands of drivers on the road that only carry that full coverage.
Right, that's the kiss of death. When my client says, "Oh, well, I have full coverage," I'm like, "Oh, that means they ain't got nothing," because they don't know any better. So educate yourself about insurance that you should buy, specifically insurance. You have to have bodily injury insurance to buy it. We'll probably do one on insurance specifically, but it's really sad when you have clients who are hurt and there's no money available to collect for them.